Simple safety solutions, duties and responsibilities. In Ontario, workplace health and safety is regulated by the Occupational Health and Safety Act, commonly referred to as the OHSA or the Act. Some people even call it the Green Book. Under the Act, maintaining a healthy and safe workplace is a shared responsibility among the employer, supervisor, and the workers themselves. This concept is known as the Internal Responsibility System, or IRS, and it's the underlying principle of the Act. It means that we all work together to identify and control hazards and prevent injuries. The employer may be the owner or the person everyone knows as the boss. A supervisor would include a person who has either charge of a workplace or authority over a worker. And a worker is generally any person who gets paid to perform work or supply services. But there's an exception. Co-op students, interns, and apprentices are also considered workers. Under the Act, each workplace party has very specific duties and responsibilities. The employer is ultimately responsible for establishing the health and safety program. This includes determining the rules for working safely, training workers on the rules and procedures for working safely, providing the right tools and equipment and ensuring they are maintained, managing hazards to eliminate or reduce the risk of injuries and illness, appointing a competent person as a supervisor, and take every precaution reasonable. In general, a supervisor is responsible for training workers on how to do their job safely, enforcing rules including the use of safety equipment and machine guarding, and take every precaution reasonable. And workers have responsibilities too. Some of these duties include following safe work procedures and rules, using the safety equipment properly, and reporting hazards and injuries to their supervisors. This communication helps ensure that supervisors can respond quickly to potential hazards. Workers also support the internal responsibility system by understanding their three rights: the right to know about the potential hazards of their job, the right to participate in workplace health and safety, and the right to refuse unsafe work believed to be dangerous to their own health and safety or to that of a coworker. It's important to remember that a worker cannot be threatened or punished for following the laws. This includes reporting a hazard, refusing unsafe work, or for cooperating with the Ministry of Labor during inspections or investigations. A dysfunctional internal responsibility system can cost your business. And it's not just about losing a productive employee. Workplace injuries and illnesses can result in higher WSIB insurance costs, not to mention Ministry of Labor work orders, tickets, and fines that result from non-compliance with the OHSA. A conviction can also lead to a jail sentence for the employer, supervisor, or worker. No one wants to pay fines or unplanned legal fees. But more importantly, no one wants to be responsible for the injury or death of a coworker. So what can you do to support your internal responsibility system? Start by understanding the specific duties and responsibilities for your workplace. It may help to put them in writing. Then communicate this information to everyone who needs to know. And finally, talk with your workers. Ask questions so you know everyone understands the important role they play in maintaining a safe and healthy workplace. For tools and resources to support your health and safety program, visit WSPS.ca.